you just say hello to everyone in your way.
Hello everyone.
That's on his way. Trust me, this guy is an awesome rapper.
तुझे बड़ा पता है?
हाँ मुझे बड़ा पता है. Of course.
What are the odds that I walk in here and Sharmali is singing कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है? What are the odds?
What are they?
तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है?
Imagine if the Bartender album were to launch the third of its series. ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं, मौका ही नहीं आता रणवीर.
I've been a huge fan of Mikey's work, and both the Bartender albums are smashing. I cannot get into the details of what I actually do when I'm listening to the Bartender, but I'll let your imagination do all the work. So one day I walk into a salon and this music is playing, and you know that app on the phone, I'm like, man, I have to have this music. And I'm supposed to be having a meeting at this point, and I'm seeing this talking head, but my mind is only in the music. And I'm suddenly just going like, shit, I need to know what this song is. So I'm just apping it. Shazam, that's what it's called, Shazam, thank you. So Shazam it, and I found out that it was this guy belting out all our favorite Hindi music tunes in the most unique and unbelievable way. I couldn't wait for the third installment to come out. He had that Bachchan album in between, mind you.
Right.
Most pristine way that I've preserved all of Mikey's work, and we recently collaborated together, which was a fantastic experience. To really get a grip on this man's talent, you have to share the studio with him. He is unbelievable. And really thanks to him, he made a great track for me, and it's been a great success. So thank you for that, Mikey. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Ranveer.
This is a wonderful evening.
And thank you, sir. Thank you for supporting talent like Mikey. So I have a small request, sir. Sir, can you sing Sare Mama for us? Please, sir. Please, sir. Please. For Mikey, sir. For Mikey. Yeah! Fabulous. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a fantastic evening. And thank you, Mikey, for unbelievable music all the time. Thank you for the joy. Thanks.
Ranveer, the evening has just begun, and since you're here and Adarsh is here, I'm going to request the two gentlemen and Mikey to officially launch this wonderful album, which is the third offering in the Bartender series. Please step aside.
अरुण XLR लाऊंगी
माइकी मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है। हमने जब रब ने बना दी जोड़ी गाने किए थे तब माइकी हमारे साथ में वो गानों को सजाने के लिए ही हेल्प्ड अस एंड हालांकि सब मेनली सुलेमान और मैं सब कुछ करते हैं लेकिन वी जस्ट वांटेड अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव और इस सिलसिले में हमने माइकी की हेल्प ली थी।
सुलेमान जी दिखाई नहीं दे रहे।
सुलेमान लंदन में अभी।
आपने किस तरह से क्रिएटिव अपना इनपुट डाला है
किस में?
इस सॉन्ग?
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया इसमें, मैं सिर्फ आज सुनने के लिए आया हूँ। माइकी मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है। आई डोंट गो आउट मच, आई हैव कम स्पेशली टू सी दिस।
But Salim bhai, talking about the music, everything has changed Bollywood में।
जी।
बॉलीवुड में हमने जर्नी पूरी कर ली है तो उसमें म्यूजिक भी काफ़ी चेंज हुआ है। तो
हाँ।
आज के म्यूजिक के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ आया है।
अच्छा नहीं है इतना।
वल्गर
वल्गर एंड ऑल। भैया देखिए बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है। पिक्चरें चेंज हो गई है, फिल्म्स की स्टोरी चेंज हो गई है, एक्टर्स चेंज हो गए, म्यूजिक क्यों ना चेंज होगा? होगा ना, होना चाहिए ना, बस वही है। मैं बस तहे दिल से उनको हैप्पी बर्थडे कहना चाहूँगा माधुरी दीक्षित जी। आई हैड अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क विथ यू इन आजा नचले एंड आई होप इंशाल्लाह दैट वी गेट अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी सून। ऑलराइट।
छोड़ो कल की मैम
गवर्नमेंट के साथ आपकी क्या आशा है?
मुझे बिल्कुल कोई आइडिया नहीं है, मतलब कोई आशा नहीं है इन द सेंस दैट आई फील लाइक whoever comes into power then only you can decide what the next plan of action is. तो हम सब 16th के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, हम देखते हैं क्या होगा। किसका? रियली आज? अच्छा कल। हैप्पी बर्थडे माधुरी दीक्षित, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई थिंक यू आर फैंटास्टिक।
So, who are the musicians, singers from the current age you admire? Like,
I've always been a fan of Shreya Ghoshal. I like a lot of sort of independent artists like Kajitan D'Souza, Nikhil D'Souza. I can't think of the top of my head. Pritam, of course.
Honey Singh, like,
I don't listen to much Honey Singh. वो थोड़ा हार्डकोर म्यूजिक है, मुझे थोड़ा रोमांटिक टाइप की म्यूजिक अच्छा लगता है।
music loving person you are?
I think everybody loves music. Music is what sort of brings a spunk in life when you're stuck in traffic, when you're sitting at home, when you're working out. So everyone loves good music.
In today's musicians and singers,
Yeah.
Who do you admire? Who are you fans
Well,
of?
I do. My personal favorites would be Anushka Manchanda because I love her and she's just so spunky, and also Shivani.
Well, is it because they are performing today or like?
Well, because they're performing, they're also friends of mine, but I like their music in any case.
Everything has changed in Bollywood. Bollywood has completed its 100 years. Like, so music
Right.
has also changed.
Right.
So, what do you just think? Today's music is good or like because in its golden age?
I think it depends what you're talking about. In terms of independent music, there's much more happening on the scene in India now than there was even 5 or 10 years ago. There are a lot of vocalists and indigenous people that are coming up and are making great music, you know. So there's a whole crop and a whole lot of scope which wasn't there earlier. But I feel in terms of Hindi cinema, there was a lot more in terms of lyrics and the thought and the beauty of the songs. I'm more of a fan of the songs in the golden age.
What's happening at the professional front?
Right now there is something happening, but I'll only be able to talk about it in a few weeks. So, thank you.
Salmali, Anushka Manchanda, Mikey was performing live. So it was great, man. It was a great experience. I'm really happy I came today, and really all the very best to Mikey for the Bartender. I've loved the Bartender 1 and 2, and I was really waiting for this album to come out. And I think he's hit it out of the park again. And congrats to him, and really kudos to his talent.
Which is your favorite musician?
My favorite song of Mikey is, you know, Pukarta Chala Hu Main. I think it was in the Bartender 2. Pukarta Chala Hu Main. It was fantastic, man. And even this one, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो. But of course, Do the Rex is very special to me, so I think that's his favorite. हाँ जी, यार मैं रैप करता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत ख़राब करता हूँ, so I don't really, I am not very proud of my rapping skills, but Karan, my friend, insisted that I rap in the Do the Rex campaign. So I did, but and people liked it, so I'm really lucky, but I don't think I'm a good rapper at all. क्या यार बीच रास्ते में ऐसे रैप करा रहे हैं यार तुम लोग. जी वो एक्चुअली माइकी ने वो ट्रैक बनाया था, एंड बहुत काम लगा था एक्चुअली. यू नो वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग द ट्रैक एंड देन वी केप्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट and it finally turned out to be the way it is. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I'm happy people are liking it. We wanted to make something fun and catchy, and I think Mikey did a fantastic job, and my sincere thanks to him for that.
आप कितना यूज करते हैं ड्यूरेक्स को, एक दिन में, वीकली या मंथली, आप कैसे यूज करते हैं?
अब देखो ट्रैफिक जैम हो रहा है, तो I really have to go. It was nice speaking to you, but I really have to go. Thank you. She's always been my favorite growing up. I really am a huge fan of Madhuri Dixit. I always have been, and I really wish her my heartiest wishes on this her special day. Happy birthday, Madhuri ji. Loads of love. Bye.